Hello, all you wonderful people. I was asked to do a spark plug change guide for the 2019 310T R and X. As you can see from this picture, the location for the spark plugs, you don't have to remove any trim. Well, here's a video this is the only one I've got actually for the spark plug. This is on a 310R, but as you can see, you can get in there to do it. So he's just going to show you how to do it. So basically just taking the cap off with a pair of pin nose pliers. Just move it out of the way so you got access. This is the hardest point. I mean, he's got a very small spark plug spanner there, which you need. You need a very small one to get in the groove. Then he's just using the screwdriver just to slot in there just to loosen it. On my 310X, I got a smaller screwdriver. It had a hex head on the top so I could get a spanner on the top of it. So I got some purchase just to loosen the actual spark plug. But it's the same. You haven't got a lot of room on the 310X, T and R. The actual X, as you saw from the picture, is worse because you got more of a fairing in the way there. But I managed to do it on the 310X. So just taking the spark plug out. Throwing the actual electrode. I put an iridium spark plug in mine, so I don't have to change it ever again. Just showing the plug gap there between 0.7 and 0.9 millimeters, no, I mean 0.8. Now I'm going to install it back in to show you. So you can see the spark plug hole there. Just hope you got small hands, that's all. Place the spark plug in and just make sure it's sat in there properly. Just then get the top on so you can actually start to turn it, basically. I know his hand's in the way, but you can see he's just turning it and then he's nipping it up. Like I said, I used a different type of spanner, spark plug spanner that had a X-type head on the top. Purchased it for the spanner. This was hard. Then using the pin nose pliers, especially I didn't have as much room on the 310X. The HD lead cap, the rubber one, you can put it on there, but actually to get it down, you've got to use some pin nose pliers so you can push it down to connect with the spark plug. That was the hardest job, I think. I just pushing it down. I'll leave in the description the Zontes order code number if you're ordering from a Zontes dealer for a new spark plug, and I'll leave you a link for it if you want to buy the iridium. This is Mad Mick. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification. All the job's done there. Right, I'm signing off. Goodbye for now.